So guys, this illusion are so cool that even I think your mind will be blown because this illusion. Because look at this. Look at this, guys. See that, guys? So first the Ames window. The Ames window. Wait. Let's do this. Look at this. Look at this. It looks like it's like this, but it's actually like this, tricking our brains. That looks like it's being like this. Just look. See that? And this one. See that too? They are so similar. So next, the Punzo Legion. We got these squares. Oh my god, I fold one. Okay, we're back. My god! Why I can't. Oh, here it is. I got another square paper that I got. Whoa. Okay guys, here it is. Which is smaller, the top or the bottom? If you think it's on the top, you're wrong. Because they are the same size. Like, just look at it. Our brain thinks they're not the same size, but it's actually they are the same size. So bye bye guys.